Did you know that a simple glass of raw ginger water could be your new secret weapon for better health? The benefits are enormous and impressive, from aiding digestion to boosting your immune system. Ginger has been revered for centuries, not just for its bold flavor, but also for its remarkable health benefits. From ancient Ayurvedic practices to modern-day wellness trends, ginger has stood the test of time. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip, because today we're revealing 10 compelling reasons why you should start drinking raw ginger water daily. So, let's get started and uncover the magic of this powerful root. Number 1. Enhances digestion. Raw ginger water is a powerful ally for your digestive system. The active compounds in raw ginger, like gingerols and sugarols, work together to support optimal digestion. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2019 indicates that ginger can effectively alleviate common digestive discomforts such as bloating and nausea. By incorporating raw ginger water into your daily routine, you can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, essential for breaking down food and improving nutrient absorption. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of raw ginger help soothe the gastrointestinal tract, reducing inflammation and alleviating digestive discomfort. Note: always consult with your healthcare provider, especially during pregnancy. Number 2. Reduces nausea. Raw ginger water is renowned for its ability to soothe nausea. Whether you're experiencing morning sickness, motion sickness, or post-operative upset, this refreshing beverage can offer relief. A review of studies published in the Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews in 2015 confirmed ginger's effectiveness in reducing nausea. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties found in raw ginger contribute to its calming effect on the stomach. Many pregnant women turn to raw ginger water as a natural and gentle way to manage morning sickness. While further research is needed, initial studies suggest that raw ginger water can help alleviate nausea without posing any harm to the mother or baby. Number 3. Improved circulation. Raw ginger water offers more than just digestive benefits. It can also invigorate your circulation. The active compounds in raw ginger water, including gingerols and sugarols, contribute to vasodilation, relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. Enhanced circulation ensures optimal oxygen and nutrient delivery to your cells, boosting energy levels and overall well-being. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology in 2012 found that ginger extract can help reduce blood pressure, a key factor in cardiovascular health. While more specific research directly linking raw ginger water consumption to increased blood flow is needed, its anti-inflammatory properties contribute to overall circulatory health. Number 4. Strengthens immune function. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, raw ginger water helps bolster your body's defenses against infections and illnesses. Chronic inflammation can weaken your immune response, but the anti-inflammatory properties in raw ginger water can help counteract this. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2013 highlighted ginger's potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation. By incorporating raw ginger water into your daily routine, you can support your body's natural defenses and enhance overall well-being. Remember, while raw ginger water is beneficial, it should not replace medical advice or treatment. Before we move on to the next segment, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share this video to help others discover it, as it signals the YouTube algorithm to recommend it to those who could benefit the most. Feel free to share your story in the comments below. Your input can make a difference. Number 5. Boosts metabolism. Ignite your metabolism with raw ginger water. This refreshing beverage contains compounds that can help rev up your body's calorie-burning potential. Ginger has been shown to increase thermogenesis, the process by which your body converts food into heat. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition in 2004 found that ginger extract can increase energy expenditure and fat oxidation. While incorporating raw ginger water into a balanced diet and exercise routine won't guarantee weight loss, it can contribute to your overall weight management goals by supporting a healthy metabolism. Number 6. Heals acid reflux suffering from the discomfort of acid reflux? Raw ginger water might be your new go-to remedy. Ginger has long been used to soothe digestive upsets, including heartburn and acid reflux. The anti-inflammatory properties found in raw ginger can help reduce inflammation in the esophagus, a common symptom of acid reflux. A study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology in 2016 found that ginger extract can effectively reduce the frequency and severity of acid reflux symptoms. By incorporating raw ginger water into your daily routine, you may experience relief from the burning sensation and discomfort associated with acid reflux. Number 7. Balances blood sugar levels. Maintain stable blood sugar levels with the help of raw ginger water. This refreshing beverage contains compounds that can help improve glucose control. Studies suggest that raw ginger water can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2015 found that ginger extract can inhibit enzymes that break down carbohydrates, leading to slower glucose absorption. Additionally, research published in Diabetes Care in 2012 indicated that ginger supplementation can improve blood sugar control in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Note, while these findings are promising, raw ginger water should not replace prescribed medications for diabetes. Always consult with your healthcare provider for proper diabetes management. Number 8. Enhances brain function. Unlock your brain's full potential with raw ginger water. This stimulating beverage contains compounds that offer cognitive benefits beyond mere refreshments. Ginger possesses neuroprotective properties that safeguard your brain cells from oxidative damage, a primary culprit in cognitive decline. Emerging research suggests that ginger can enhance various cognitive functions, including memory, focus, and attention span. A study published in Neurobiology of Aging in 2014 revealed that ginger extract can improve cognitive function in older adults. By incorporating raw ginger water into your daily routine, you're not just hydrating, you're nourishing your brain with essential nutrients that support optimal mental performance. Number 9. Detoxifies your body. Raw ginger water can be a powerful ally in your body's detoxification journey. While the term detox often carries misleading connotations, ginger can indeed support your liver's natural detoxification processes. The liver is a vital organ responsible for filtering toxins from the blood. Studies have shown that certain compounds in ginger, such as gingerols and showgirls, possess hepatoprotective properties, meaning they can help shield the liver from damage. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2013 demonstrated ginger's potential to protect the liver from oxidative stress, a primary contributor to liver damage. By incorporating raw ginger water into your daily routine, you can provide your liver with an extra layer of support, aiding in its natural detoxification functions and promoting overall well-being. Note, it's essential to remember that while raw ginger water can support liver health, it's not a substitute for medical treatment. If you have concerns about liver health, consult with a healthcare professional. Number 10. Healthier skin. Unlock your skin's natural radiance with the power of raw ginger water. This revitalizing beverage goes beyond its internal benefits to nourish your skin from within. Rich in antioxidants, ginger helps combat oxidative stress, a primary culprit behind premature aging and skin damage. These potent antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, preventing them from attacking collagen and elastin, the essential proteins responsible for skin elasticity and firmness. Moreover, ginger possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. By reducing inflammation, raw ginger water contributes to a more even skin tone and a clearer complexion. While more research is specifically needed on the topical application of ginger water, its internal benefits in supporting overall skin health cannot be overlooked. Note: while ginger offers potential skin benefits, it's essential to maintain a balanced skincare routine. Bonus tip: how to make your raw ginger water. Creating your own raw ginger water is simple. Here's how. Peel and grate a small piece of fresh ginger root. Steep the grated ginger in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the mixture to remove the ginger pieces. Enjoy your ginger water warm or chilled. For added flavor, you can squeeze in some lemon or lime juice. How much should you consume? While there's no strict dosage, consuming 1 to 2 cups of raw ginger water daily can provide potential health benefits. However, listen to your body and adjust your consumption accordingly. If you experience any adverse effects, reduce your intake. By incorporating raw ginger water into your daily routine, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier you. The benefits are vast, from boosting digestion and immunity to enhancing skin health. So, why wait? Make a difference in your life today. With that said, check out the video on the screen for more healthy tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay hydrated and healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health tips.